So 당연히 norte jamani nishu sakshik lusterazis pasami khaji 직송 결례 지나야 벌거는 것이 울타송 때문에 아니 lokse 고니 차체스 만에 사갈 다왔지노 만옥래 정말 죽식 루스는 봐 드링나 주는 때니 정말 줄루스는 그래 대비야 정말 호시를 주던 거다 작동 주스 주고 싶어 각전도 주스냐 잠년나 다른마다 일되나 다른마다 개와 별나는 그래 하고 멀티플레이 하는 거 손바상 지대진 따직 주스실라자 tene tasa irtsatse gun lo zumaza tene nangjin la oya choschi shesna diano pale maniton te sange shesu kerle giloma palme tene papa charasi dubsena giloma palmo sange seno kochi joseno chi mama bujini joseme kya hale koranchi papa charasi chipo gomste mani chipo tonte tat pamma kakchen monopa tat pa yote tene mata choshik chona kochi pantok shesu koran sama zokseno kle tene chik chakchipo mani pulnyane mena chakchipo pulaza nole chak sangya gewa sambek tanani chak sang gewa chimo mani yomme kya yan tena nangjin la igya jisilyane igya sila zadle tena nangjin la chik chochi tangshesan chot putongle so tena nangjin la chik yang chik mata zangsho dinro parchilam sel sambalndo chochi silshes nang silazat ko mata chichen kono chosangma chasachigi nokle sangi selamega chaches gewa sakches o dikpa dakches tena nokpa somba samsame chi choshes nang chosbo 조고시스 각천도 주스네 메카메양 제 초상 따직 마게천 무직 대주다서 이런 거는 장세면다 장면 겪래 하고 benzagur sonan diano dolmatun diano maniton diano chudmeja tum pulazat chak pulazat chuput pulazat o ya teni jigyam chidichin chidon dolmajidon silnyana do male mutizu chi choshono pantos gala kya justeniele so I was just saying that whatever practice whether it's just accumulating mantra of Avalokiteshvara like Om Mani Padme Hum, yeah, that's also good. That can lead you towards enlightenment. Om Mani Padme Hum includes, it has the essence of all the Buddhist teachings. So, nothing better than Om Mani Padme Hum, the mantra. Nothing better than Om Tari 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 Soha. Nothing better than Om Ahum Benza Guru Padma Siddhi Hum. Yeah, nothing better than reciting Tara. 21 homages to Tara. Also, all the practices are the same, they lead towards enlightenment. You don't need to, it's good if you know more practices. It's good if you know more prayers and mantras, but you don't necessarily need to know like some exotic, special practice. Whatever practice you have to do it from your heart. Very important. And not to harm animals, not to harm others, to be patient, to be compassionate, to love, loving kindness, compassion is very important. Those are the cornerstones of Buddhism. Anyway, let's do the calling the Guru from afar. I think that's our today's practice. Page number 14. Then lama kyang po. Page number 17 tukle. Na isupega tangkan po. Chidichin. Instagram ka tangkan po. Jaldon chode ben namkuga number ka khujir singni. chode ben namkuga 당연하구나. 어이가 독 167. chode ben namkuga 167 buduk. To je pingsa so 167 in the new book. Then refuge. Oh yeah. Skemdo says first we'll start with refuge, of course. But then after refuge we'll do the calling the Guru from afar. Let me take a sip of my coffee, it's getting cold. Yaju, somebody ready? Tene lakpa talman jarte tuzgun nangjin la savela masu sezadna savela mala tatpachuches guspochiches tene koncho sumosh kapsu chaches simchin tam chilachik chidichin nincham ninje gomche tsugi sambaji gishke gosana gale manam gadanyam bezem shantam jit lama sangya chizgi skolaj kapzunche manam gadanyam bezem shantam jit Lama los chos bes gola Shkapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe Sem shantam jit Lama tok je Adul bes gola Shkapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe Sem shantam jit Lama sangya rimbo chelash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama sangya chizkis kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama los chos bes kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shandam jit Lama tok je adul bes kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shandam jit Lama sangya rimbo chelash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama sangya chizkis kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama los chos bes kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama tok je adul bes kolash kapson cheo Mana mankadanyambe sem shantam jit Lama sangya rimbo chelash kapson cheo Ya Tene manamji grupo chiksil tenang Chidichen Lama Gyambot Bajik. After that, we will do calling the Guru from afar. Namam Guru Kadai Jigu Yingi Alongnai Chokpai Dojini Jongjin Chokjo Takpai Shingdo Tisum Sangya Eskin Rulpai Dodoi Jishuldo Nile Nyame Taboni Gargyo Eskaldan Mindo Langotpe Paldan Chokpai Yavshat Tamjat Gondos Gijibzin Gongeng Awani Norbo Sawani Gongnen Deblai Tokje Gyangnera Zishe Shigas Bonda Ginzije Jina Yishis Girulbai Migi Tatbala Zamgi Chenlai Rangjong Do Zolwai Dimni Nyokpa Dan Dalwe Songme Dulbai Yes Gonjo Zolwai Nyingkong Nen Deblai Tokje Gyangne Razishis Goji Yeshis Gingaldan Yontan Gondos Gil Gongbo Zanjok Dos Bala Zamgi Nangwai Tamala Gyongkas Dijia Bardo Da Sumdo Resa Kerang Lai Jitbe Zolai Nyingkong Nen Deblai Tuje gyang ne rang zi shi ke zon dos ba yi me lai Trol na rang ya la dang ne sang gyas lan del do do be Zom na dam ba yi ten zo dek jai nyal wa ro long je Jesus cando in Jesus da da mi oldo sonde Jingi loka sondo go dang be nang yol ging over Jibzun da me do ya ga mi ring yura ra ni do Shara ngo som don dong wai do je yo ne la ra go Kam sum gor wai zem jan malos tar pa la gut pe Gyur me ye dam de ni la da zong a zong do jo lai Duje zerane nango namche chame zam goyang Dije lo na ro manglai duje gyang ne ra zishi Chinji nika mit pe je ja je ma jong la duje gyang ne ra zishi Ta don lo na mangyer zende je ba jen la to je gyang ne ra ze je Jig den te wa ma cho sam lo ga ya den la to je gyang ne ra ze je Tam jo stop jar song ne de do den za jala to je gyang ne ra ze she ka je ning re ma ne de ye shen ja jen la to je gyang ne ra ze she Chik po re la ma so ke je dong dong kyam la to je kyang ne ra ze she Gyawe song rai dos kyan ches kyan los ma tong la to je kyang ne ra ze she Griz me gyula marke doge do nye ken la Togje gyang ne ra zik she Shinje ponye lep tse che che den zat me la Togje gyang ne ra zik she Las ngan pa jan das pa nyomo rangar shola Dogje gyang ne ra zik she Kang chong ro nyo me pe les ka nye do jen la Dogje gyang ne ra zik she Jib zo dam bai jen la wang jing ab da Nas nga rik ben gas ban jen boy Jang gyo en ken be to do chi je Da lo chi son da war jing ge lo she Dan jo nye ka shes par jing ge lo she Chewa me da den bar jingi lo she lende lo me go war jingi lo she korwe ni me do bar jingi lo she tarbe pa yon tong war jingi lo she Yolan dot pa met bar jingi lo sonjos bongwar jingi loje Shkido endam gai jalware jingi loje Nila gadong jalwar jingi loje Dalai toa medbare jingi loje Tadore josimbare jingi loje Jonzin chingwa jaware jingi lobshik Lama sangya sontong ware jingi lobshik Tagos gyunchan medbare jingi lobshik Jinza legs barantong ware jingi lobshik Jizon zedmar zembare jingi loje Toye jidon desbare jingi loje Tejai shimba lokbare jingi loje Timi nang ne charware jingi loje Nangwa simso shesbare jingi loje Simni jeza dalware jingi loje Rangze rangon todbare jingi loje Toba yingso takbare jingi loje Tadalai tawa tokbare jingi loje Seje gomla zon pare jingi loje Jonjon jodbash gongware jingi loje Dasboy cheskor tongware jingi loje Palday lama goncho sumde ngawa norbo Tuje zije jingi loje Denjoy keral dawar Shoy jeban kerang Dawar shoy je Doldan kerang Dawar shoy je Dodoy kerang Dawar shoy je Dol goy kerang Dawar shoy je Donggoy kerang Dawar shoy je Sangyas kerang Dawar shoy je Lama keno Lama keno Yaju Tujiche. Then we will do the dedication. Shunga Wasilin. Oh, dedication is I think 399. Sumgya Gupchu Gurgu Intigyot. The one that I've uploaded on Instagram. Tuji Pingazat. 399. Karasungit Ustorso. Yaju. Sonam deye tamje zikba ni tobne nyesbe danam pamje ne shkega nanje balam chukba shidbe zole dowa dolware sho jambal bawe chidar kemba dang kundo zam deyang dejen de teda kungi jeso dalop chengewan deda tamje rabdo ngo changsho semcho rimbo Noshkes banam nishke gyore je shkes ba nyamba med ba gongne agondo ombel ware jo gewa ande shke wo kon sonam yeshe zozo sonam yeshe lejong we dambas konye to par sho ya jule tene tate nyampo. Let's do some meditation. Yeah, it's like meditation jik chuen ju. We'll do it for 10 minutes. Minutes chu. So everybody knows how to meditate now. Sama kena no kazo meditation kazo chu washin. Rukom kazo kya washin sekan paswale. So as usual, we sit in a cross-legged position. Vajrasana, you know. Some people call it Vajrasana, some people call it Padmasana. But whatever. If you can, kaltes juks nyad na, tene goma kampa yunma ole. Left po boches, tene yunme katoga, right po kyongche swale. Juks manya na, tene tuskun nangjil nga tatale katuka tsoksla dukchesle. Yeah. Tene shkeran potse gyore tansle hale. Yeah. Shket pakachan borches, back straight. Lakpao ketena, tene yunme katoga yaspa borchesle. So, shoulder go, best borchese. Yeah. Shoulder go, best borches. Tene go. Zabig ji cook just like Timira, good zabig ji cook just mikbo tenakram division because touches your eyes should be on the bindu that you've placed in front of you on the floor. So let's do it for 10 minutes and then we're done for today. Minutes chule. Dang is you can design a po just pinta meditation chose and chi gongos and kazu chogos did something you should remember everything that I say during the meditation, you know, when I guide. So try to remember them. Kautsa being she pistol. Kanana kungiskan uxniches. Mouth slightly open, breathing equally through mouth and nose. Semina nam stop korma chuke. Samal demo chus jux. Sem jiwana nyam po shom met pa. Semina go tsaga tsigi met pa. Hey. Semba pa chustili. Don't let your mind get distracted. Gaze at the bindu. Be in the present moment. Just relax. Rest your mind onto the bindu. Through your gaze. Simple to learn, but slightly difficult to master. If your mind gets distracted by some thoughts, by some sound, whatever, bring it back. more often than not, it's some memory you have, some past memory. And then sometimes we wonder about the future, what we will do. And almost always it's driven by attachment towards something or someone. So wherever your mind goes, bring it back. Just rest. Simbate wa chamachuke. Kuchukacha tsurado, semnichik samba yondo, itu yondo, china. Mikpo matsuma, borasatle. Shket bakata. Сбакамсам чили. Шуюдна, шумит канчану. Церковидна, церковит канчану. Try not to blink. Keep your back straight, like an arrow. Just rest your mind onto the bindu. Very simple. Just rest. It's only for 10 minutes. It doesn't take more than a few moments for your mind to start wandering, wandering everywhere. So bring it back. Place it, rest it onto the bindu once again. Simbatyang chashisa changura manakle. Simbal lokse deushimbika parasate. Шуютна шумит канчано, церковидна церковит канчано. Семена кочи думалжена цамит канчано кле. Запагон вошес 이제 온 곳이스 세와 저곳이스 옴게 보시스 뭐 각진 않을 संभा एकदम खुदोले यहाँ लोग से देवशिंग भी कपड़ा सकते यहाँ से पिछले ने संभा तेवां वाचान यहाँ लोग से क्यों आ सकते यहाँ चानो यहाँ लोग से क्यों the mind will start wandering, bring it back. Again it will start wandering, again bring it back. Every time bring it back and rest it on the bindu. Usually 10 minutes over. Yeah. Then it, as usual, take care of yourselves, everyone. Tsangatani, shkit pochuse jux, oshirchuse jux. Tukshucho mazat, sopago mazat, tasatena ngata practice chuse nukle, tena ngata silte nukpaya. Oh, ya tene dandri dusla, tene michik. Chisi ngata chik, shoyong chisi gimsan minda yukakle. Mirire, rire tene chik. Oh, samba minda ngan mazus manpa. Tene yarabir chotpa nyunga. Hale, oh, tene marabir chotpa ma. Shosekan bo manga, sotpa nyunga. Ningji nyunga zoshik indi tugele. Tene che mirire lakpa mobile riri yutpa sam ko chi dina dikde no. Tene chi ko zer nang zer teno ko zer machokpa chang mekyak. Zer kan yunga no chang mekyak ko sotpa gongo shi mga khachin no ya. Tene tsama tezuk shigin. Simboshkit pochuse juks, tsangmale tsering, yang tene tori, yang shke garishinge ka jalin. So everyone, I was just saying that these days there's so many reasons to be angry. Actually, there's so many avenues of anger, of intolerance. So almost everybody has a broadcasting machine in their pocket, which is called a smartphone. So it's very, very easy to, invoke anger in other people. But then, if there is 자가 맨날 다당스 집한래. 자가 된 것은 없벌래. 자가 된 것이 있어. You have to remove the bull's eye. Simple. Don't care. Don't care. Careless, carefree. You have to be carefree. Remove the bull's eye. Then where will the archer shoot? Nowhere. If you have anger, if you have a target, then they can shoot you. So it doesn't matter what people say, it doesn't matter what people do to you. Practice patience. Just remove the bullseye. Be carefree, who gives a damn, seriously. Life is very short. If you care about what each and every person says in your life, you'll be exhausted, you'll be grounded down to a pulp. Mi espera kangatan zingmatan jawabtan tizukchen shrochun dunani. Ngelwena koga shakchi sama bar inna misukuri ngatan thalba gyurshanuk pale. Zaga tin salam. Teni ko tasuta. Mano, dakhatna chachasena. Te somale carefree le man temshi mapo ngata last but simba chunju jes ma gelegin ting rugle. Chambo justen. Last ba ngata jik taji Himalaya mi jongs mi bunse simba chundu ba. Simba chema chugo shes in it stay in the pinches. Enter, exit, very important. Carefree. Don't care, what people say, what people think. Everybody has an opinion. And I guess not everybody should always, give their opinion. But this is a free world. Everybody has a broadcasting machine, so people can say whatever they want. They can do whatever they want. So then, but if you remove the target, then where will they aim? That's what we're doing. We're not removing the archers. Matang datang kan tente manol. Mata za tentana za. Zaga tentana tene dikte na pale. Datang sa mekyak. Hawa. Yeah, Ju. Somara tujichi, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time. Toriang ina tuspeka jalin. Julie.